Coltan, short for columbite tantalite, is a metal ore that is used to extract the elemental forms of niobium and tantalum to be manufactured into electronics. It is used in the making of batteries for electric cars as well as capacitors for many of our common electronics. Mining of coltan has a dark history around it, as it has been used to help fuel conflict in the Democratic Republic of the Congo for decades. Armed militia groups force civilians to mine this blood mineral so they can make a profit to aid their violent cause. For Congolese civilians, mining minerals is the easiest way to make money because it is so readily available. When you live in a country where food is scarce and land is infertile, farming is not an efficient business. It is estimated that 90% of Congolese young men are part of this industry. These men walk for days on end to find the coltan and then scrape the ore from the earth with hand tools to bag up, carry back to their villages so it can be sold. Organized mining operations run by militias is where things get truly horrid. The coltan industry is young in comparison to other mining industries. It has only been a few decades since the black stone, later named coltan, was first discovered in Kisango, a village in the Congo. The Democratic Republic of the Congo is a country located in Central Africa and is the second largest country on the continent. It has a large population at 78,736,153. The exports of the country revolve around the mining of precious metals, as more than 90% of the Congo's revenues is from mining minerals. This is due to how rich the country is in precious metal deposits. The Congo has 70% of the world's coltan, 33% of cobalt, 30% of the world's diamond, and 10% of copper. The combined value of the metals in their country is estimated to be upwards of 24 trillion US dollars. However, the people of the Congo are nearly, if not the poorest citizens on the planet. This is largely contributed by their highly corrupt government. It is ranked as one of the 20 lowest ranked countries on the Corruption Perception Index. That means they're very corrupt. The Congo is a very war and famine-stricken country, as nearly 70% of the population is affected by malnutrition. There is a wide range of horrific occurrences in these mines, and I am quite sure that there is much more to be discovered. Due to the fact that many of these mines are controlled by armed groups, it is not very easy to find out everything that is happening on the inside. Tilbazembe is located in the Congo and holds a mine which is owned by Misa Mining. In the Tilbazembe mine, it is very common for artisanal miners to be critically injured and or killed. This can be from asphyxiation due to poor ventilation, rock slides, or falling boulders. Many of these accidents go unreported and untreated. The mining regulations are not strictly followed either. In some pits in the mine, they reach depths over 100 meters, where regulations clearly state they must not surpass 30 meters. There are over 40,000 children under the age of 16 working in Tilbazembe. This isn't including the 17 and 18-year-olds, where that number would be much larger. This is ridiculous. Locals who have attempted to bring ore with them to sell back home face many repercussions like fines, being beaten, or locked up for days on end without food or water. This is on top of the daily abuse they face in the mine. There is no corporate responsibility at these instances due to the fact that they don't have to take responsibility. None of this is documented or recorded. So they just go on mistreating the miners and nothing is done about it. When we buy electronic products, we are allowing this industry to continue damaging the citizens of the Congo. These citizens are being forced to relocate and abused and losing loved ones for our cell phones. Seems a little ridiculous. So, what can we do? An easy answer would just say write off all electronic products. But it's not that easy, and that actually doesn't help because the Congo needs to make money, and they've got all these resources to make money off of. We just need to make it so they have to follow rules and regulations and allow the workers to have working conditions that are safe and will allow them to lead a life where they can prosper. Thank you, and I hope you do something so that we can all make the lives for the people of the Congo much better.